Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. We have already covered the first content of this chapter, it was checkout. Now we are moving toward the second content. The objectives of this content is to understand the departure procedure in fully automated system. We will understand what kind of procedure followed in fully automated system in 5-star hotel. Checkout procedure is one of the important procedure in at front office. We should know how to deal with guests at the time of checkout. What precautions should be taken by the front office staff when they deal with checkout procedure. Departure procedure has certain steps which needs to be followed by front office staff. So it will be convenient and it will be a proper procedure so that there won't be any kind of problems which they will face and they won't face any kind of barriers if they are following all the steps properly. So departure procedure will also become the convenient procedure for the guest as well as for the staff. Now we will go and see one by one each and every steps in detail, what kind of procedure uh, hotel should follow when they deal with departure. You can see the first point. A checkout request is received at the front desk. When the guest decides to go for checkout, they send the request to front office department that they are going to departure on a particular date or a particular time. So based on that, front office department prepare departure notification slip and simultaneously should be informed to Beldex as well, so that they will be also in a position to go and collect the luggage of the guest. Second is cashier updates guest folio. Before moving towards cashier updates, you can see there are three arrows which shows that the moment Beldex is informed, bellboy go and collect the luggage. Then bellboy deposits the key at front desk, and then bellboy loads the luggage in the car. So this step should be followed by the Beldex department. Now we are moving towards cashier updates guest folio. As soon as departure notification slip is dispatched through internet, which is integrated to all the point of sale areas, they start posting all the credit transactions of a particular guest to guest folio. So all the guest folios would be updated at the front office. So whoever the guests are willing to go for departure, so all the point of sale areas start posting all their expenses, which are called credit charges, to their respective folios. So that's how cashiers start updating their guest folios. Next step, you can see guest arrives at front office for checkout. As soon as front office department receive all the credit charges of the guest in their respective folios, and which will be tallied, which will be re-verified, which will be reviewed by the cashier, and they update into the guest folio, then it will be very convenient and easy steps to close the account of a particular guest, and they can easily settle the account of guest. Next is cashier presents the bill. Like I have mentioned, the moment they receive all the charges from the respective point of sale areas, so they come in a position to settle the guest bill without any problem. And finally, guest settles the account. So guests may settle their account by paying cash or by credit card or by debit card. Now we'll see that how hotel operate fully automated systems with the help of computer. So the automated systems are connected to all computers in all the departments data transfer through software which is integrated to each other. Like I have mentioned, each and every departments are connected through internet and which is integrated through a particular software, maybe property management system software or any other software. And the system is very much faster and accurate and efficient, and it saves your time a lot. So that is why nowadays every hotel prefer to go for automated fully systems rather going for the manual systems. Even it minimizes your errors, and it saves a lot of time which you can utilize for any other work. Now there are basic 4 steps which should be followed by front office staff while dealing with a fully automated system in 5-star hotel. First is checkout request received. As soon as front office department receives the checkout request, front office start working on closing the account of the particular guest. So they send departure notification slip, and simultaneously they inform to Buildex as well. So Buildex will also be in a position to go and collect the luggage, receive the keys, and hand over the keys to front office department. Second step is called bellboy to transfer luggage and inspect room. Like I have mentioned, as soon as front office department receive the request from the guest for departure procedure, then front office department inform the Buildex to send the bellboy for transferring the luggage and to inspect the room whether something is if anything is missing, or if anything is broken down in the guest room, whatever. So bellboy will be in a position to go and inspect the room thoroughly. Now the next part is called departure communicate to all the point of sales through network. Like I have mentioned, every department is integrated through internet, and they are utilizing a particular software, and every point of sale areas HOD has the access with the help of user ID and password. So they start sending all the credit charges to the front office so that front office can accumulate all the expenses with the help of software in the guest folio, and he can take the print of the invoice or the bill. So with the help of software it is very much easy to complete the transactions and to save the time of the guest as well as the staff. Now the next thing is that credit transactions updated to guest account automatically. uh, in earlier days we used to collect all the bills from all the point of sale areas, then cashier used to bifurcate and segregate all the bills date wise, and they used to maintain a particular excel sheet. With the help of that they used to create the final bill. But nowadays with the help of internet, with the help of computer, with the help of fully automated systems and the softwares, it becomes very user friendly for all the staffs to post all the credit transactions of the guest through internet automatically. And finally the final bill with supporting documents presented to guest for approval and signature. Once all the point of sale areas post all the credit charges to respective folio, so front office staff can easily review it and take the print of it, and it can be presented in front of the guest, and the guest will go through it and they will verify whether if any entry has been missing or any extra entry has been added. Once front office department got the approval from the guest, they take the signatures from the guest and give one copy to guest and keep one copy with them. So that's how departure procedure takes place in 5-star hotel. And finally to take the payment from the guest. Once payment received as per the pre-arranged mode, the guest can pay in the form of cash, or in the form of credit card, or in the form of debit card, or by the company, or any other kinds of mode which was pre-arranged while doing the reservation of the guest rooms. Once the payment has been settled, then I have mentioned, BLDEX will come in a picture. They will prepare the luggage out pass, which will give the authority to the guest to take out their all the luggage out of the hotel property. You can see in the picture hotel IHM, and the name has been given luggage out pass, and this pass is also has a number. Then details of the guest, like name of the guest, then room number, then date of departure, then what time he or she is going to depart, then bill number, then complete, partial, corporate settlement, then billing settlement, and any other information, and the authorized signatory, and then date. So this is how luggage pass should be prepared, should be filled uh, by the BLDEX, and the necessary signature should be taken from the guest if necessary, and that pass will help you to take out the guest luggage out of the hotel property. Departure communicated to all departments. When we go for a fully automated system for departure procedure, it is extremely important to inform all the department in advance or through departure notification slip that a particular guest is going to depart, so that they can start posting all their credit charges. Front office department record all the automatically updated. So software uh, itself work as an employee, which has a lot of facilities, which record all the transactions easily, and which creates the report automatically. So front of receptionist just has to see the date, time, and everything is correct, and he can just take the print of it. Then occupancy list of in-house guest. Once the payment has been done and the guest has settled the bill, you can update the information in occupancy list of in-house guests, that how many guests has departed and how many guests are came today. And then finally, room status. It is extremely important for the front office staff to update the room status as and when the room is depart departure for a particular day. Then what is the occupancy, then how many rooms are in dirty status, how many rooms are inspected, and how many rooms are clean, and how many rooms are ready for sale. So all the information should be there in your room status. You can see in the picture there are too many information has been given in the occupancy column: stay over, checkout, sleeper, vacant, maintenance, non-rental, or any other, and total. So that's how front office staff should maintain the record, and it is convenient for staff to keep a track that out of how many rooms are in a position to sell. Guest history card. Guest history card is nothing but the detailed information of a particular guest, which should be maintained by front office staff in the computer. So as and when the same guest is coming in your hotel, you can easily open the account, and you can keep on updating his or her account as per her or his likes and dislikes. So it is very much convenient and useful to provide the better services, and to give surprises to your guests and to make them happy all the time. So this is the overall departure procedure in fully automated system. Now we are moving towards the revision section. I would like to ask you the first question, which is based on this content, that what is departure procedure in fully automated procedure? I believe that you have already got the answer for this question with the help of all the PPTs which we have discussed right now. You can appear for the quiz on departure procedure in fully automated system. I will post the link in comments box in my YouTube channel. You can go to my channel and you can search for this content and you can appear for the quiz and you can see the score once you submit the quiz. These are the references which I have used for my PowerPoint presentation. These many books I have referred, and these many website I have referred. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.